Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Annu Cute World. In today's video, I will show you the Thergaon Boat Club, Pimpri-Chinchwad, Pune. This is one of the best recreation center in PCMC. This garden is situated on the bank of Pavana River. The amenities like kids play area, high watchtower, toy train ride, boating and rafting facilities are available here. The Thergaon Boat Club is a 7-acre garden developed by the PCMC. This garden was inaugurated in the year 2007 to promote water sports in this area. A rock garden is the major attraction of this club. Also, there is an open-air auditorium where you can watch programs. Boating can be enjoyed by a motorboat or a pedal boat. A small toy train that starts every day at 5 is a major attraction for the kids. The garden is huge for children to play. The small waterfalls are good for children to play and enjoy. The nearby dam's backwater gives boating facility within this park. But because of the corona effects, this garden is now closed and boating facilities also not available. So, at the end of this video, I will attach some of the pics which we had taken last time when we visited this beautiful park. And hope by soon we can get a chance to enjoy this again. May this new year brings lots of happiness, hopes and blessings to all of our lives. Hope you all will enjoy this video with us. If you really enjoyed, please like this video, comment your valuable opinions and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Annu Cute World for more informational and interesting videos. Thank you all. Have a nice day.